With about 40 years of experience, Atrapan is a leader in the production of bakery equipment and custom-made white art.
The company was founded by our father Danilo Cagliari in 1985. Initially, the headquarters were in Castellazzano, then it moved to Butapietra in the first industrial area, and we arrived here in the new industrial area. We're a second gen, always here, officially entered in 2017.
You possess the whole production chain. What are the different stages?
The arrival of the goods. The goods are stored in the various departments. The sheet metal is processed by the punch or laser. The tube is processed by the laser, and then everything is welded or assembled. The painting department is the place where we apply non-stick coating on baking trays, as well as various food products and items.
Do you also work for third parties?
In addition to our primary work, we also collaborate with third parties, particularly in the areas of sheet metal processing and non-stick coating, to provide specialized services.
The company since 2010 has a new, very large HQ in Butapietra in Verona province of 6,500 SQM, where we find admin offices, commercial offices, tech office, and above all, the entire production chain. Here, Italian science from raw materials to finished products.
Atrapan has been actively involved in the production of bakery equipment and white art since 1985, specializing in bread baking trays, loading frames, trolleys for rotary ovens, proofing cells, and virtually every other component that is essential for efficient oven operation. The raw materials we utilize the most are aluminum coins that we have in stock at the company, and then we drill them to manufacture the baking tray, stainless steel sheets, and panels to construct the structure of the leavening cells.
The technical office is able to study the maximum customization of products, and thanks to the wide range of machinery, such as flat and tube lasers, punching and drilling machines, bending machines and welders, the company is able to develop and produce various types of subcontracting projects. And the products that come out of the production cycle are examined in every detail and prepared to conquer the world of dough, leavening, and cooking of the most well-known food in the world. In the wide range of Atrapan products for bakeries, pastry shops, and pizzerias, we find proofing and retarder proofing cells and cabinets, trays and trolleys for rotary ovens, trolleys for handling and storing trays, lifting trolleys, loading frames with related accessories, stainless steel furniture for bakery laboratories. The decades-long experience in the sector with Dad Danilo first and with the sons Fabio and Nicola since 2017 has allowed the company to always have a keen eye on the latest market trends. From this point, the crucial investments in machinery and technological equipment are in accordance with the latest requirements, including laser machines, automated systems, and even internal sheet metal micro-drilling within the company.
From the coil, we drill the sheet metal using a micro-perforation of diameter 2, which is ideal for baking trays. This opening is utilized to eliminate moisture from the dough and guarantee a more uniform cooking process. This is the bending department for baking trays, where we bend the sheet metal that comes from the punching machine and shape it to make trays for baking baguettes. Proceeding to the welding stage, we initiate the process by assembling the sheet metal to the crossbeam utilizing an automatic spot welder, thus ensuring a high-quality welding outcome.
Large investments in technological machinery.
Large investments in technological machinery in recent years, and we are always at the forefront to keep up with the times. We've invested in a photovoltaic system that we're completing. In a few months, we'll have 230 kilowatts of energy.
Also respect for the environment.
Firstly, here we see a flat sheet laser for a size of 2500 x 3000. We carry out internal production of sheet metal cutting, steel, stainless steel and iron, and in addition to internal production, we also work for third parties if requested.
Laser tube.
Yes, this machine is employed for the purpose of cutting pipes of different sizes with the aid of a laser beam technology. This is also used for internal production and also for third parties if necessary. We still have many requests for the Italian market and also for the foreign market that is growing in various countries. In Arab nations, the Saudi Arabia, Eastern Europe and the US that we are gradually beginning to enter,
In addition to this, the punctuality of deliveries, which is documented, is another strength of Atrepan. Speaking of technological investments, what is this?
this is a machine that automatically prepares the guides for the trolleys where we place the trays on top. This is an automatic welding robot where we assemble the trolleys for the trays. Basically, the guide is welded to the steel profile.
Atrepan, whose name is a kind of abbreviated form for bakery equipment, has recently been joined by Vega Rivestimenti, another 1,500 square meters of warehouse that, through the 3 phases of sandblasting, painting and baking in the ovens, delivers to customers finished products with high-quality non-stick coatings and paints for a truly exceptional cooking experience. Here we are inside a recent company acquisition.
Yes, this is Vega Coatings, a company acquired by Atrepan and brought to Verona in 2018, where non-stick coating is applied to baking trays, confectionery molds, and everything related to the food industry. The phases are sandblasting, where the tray delivered by Atrepan is sandblasted, prepared and cleaned for painting, then painting on the tray, where the non-stick coating is applied and put in the oven at 400 degrees Celsius, where the color is completely fixed to the metal.
What makes the company unique in Italy?
So, Atrepan first of all produces internally everything we have seen, and the added value we have is that we produce the pan from the sheet metal to the non-stick coating applied on top, and we are the only ones in Italy to offer this service.
Our focus, Italian excellence made in Italy.
Produced in Italy with 100% of the materials originating from Italy.
I ask you what you like about your job.
You never get tired practically. There is always something new to invent and run to always surpass foreign competition.
What is the responsibility of managing the family business in your hands?
It is a great responsibility but also a great satisfaction.